Hi, world. My name is Gary Crosby, and I'm one of the owners and one of the artists at ddwoodcarving.com. So, the World of Knowledge. World of Knowledge was more of a corporate art thing I was trying to think of. But, as you think about this and the use of it, it can be used by any businesses or any business or any school, college, uh, even a home, even a house. It's a way to control a conversation. QR codes are common in our life nowadays. You can slap on a QR code, it'll take you to a location. So the person who's changing the codes, there are QR codes that are on there by just printing out with a household printer and sticking them on, change the conversation. So if you wanted to, for say, have your children come in or your grandkids and you wanted them to read about something or a story or something, you can control that media and direct them in the position or the place that you want them to go, which is kind of cool. I mean, you're not trying to control their life, but you're trying to educate them. You're trying to create an educational tool at the same time. So that's what this is. It's an educational tool. Now, if it's a business or company, it can be used to highlight the other parts of the company, the web pages, the social media events, all that kind of stuff. It can link to just about anything. This one is linked to climate change. So if you go on it, you will find yourself going to Birds of New Brunswick, which is a very cool page. Trees of New Brunswick, another very cool page. Walking past New Brunswick, Forest New Brunswick, climate change, the UN. Uh, it's it creates that point of a conversation, and it directs the conversation towards climate change. I mean, it's the world. We are all in this together. And until we realize that, we're probably not going to make a lot of headway. But we need to realize that we are all in this together. And that's why you see this. Hope you enjoy the show. Hope you enjoy your time here. There's a lot of talented artists in this show. It's a lot of really nice artwork. So enjoy yourself. Take a look around. Hit the QR codes. See what it's all about.